How to download Spotify playlist. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Spotify playlist. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that you have the Spotify app. After you do have the Spotify app, you can open it up. For this, you will need a premium account. So if you have a premium account and now you want to download Spotify playlist, this is what you do. Head over to the library on the bottom right corner, and after you're on the library section, you'll need to add a new playlist. To add a new playlist, tap on the top right corner on the plus and then tap on playlist. Here you will see playlist option. Tap on playlist. Now you can name your playlist and then tap on create. After you've created the playlist, here now you can add music. So you can simply select any music that you'd like. So let me just search something up really quick. And after you search for a song, tap on the three dots right besides the song and tap on add to playlist. After you tap on add to playlist, select your playlist and then tap on done. After doing that, you can head over to your library and you will see your playlist. Now under there, you will see different recommendations for your playlist. You can select different music. You can just download everything that you would like. And after you've added everything on the playlist, now comes the downloading part. On the top, you will see the download button right here. Tap on the download and it should start downloading. As you can see, it's downloading, and that's basically how you download Spotify playlist. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video.